time. We're on the jet ski with Mr. Dylan Tahawi. And he is steering. Okay? I mean, we can't really flip, but we can fly off. Okay. So you know why I got so choppy all of a sudden? Because of that ferry right there. We're in Cancun, Mexico. For Dylan's birthday. And the water is getting kind of choppy because we went in the wake of that ferry right there. But it's so much fun. I think we filled up the whole jet ski with so much water. Just kidding. I can't see. Not that I know of anyway. We have a 9-year-old captain. So I'm not sure we're safe right now because we have a 9-year-old captain. Uh-oh. 9-year-old captain, turn us captain. Aye, captain. Turn us please. Okay. Don't sink us, captain. Oh, that was a lot of water, bro. Yeah, turn. You're steering, not me. You're driving, I'm just holding the gas throttle, that's all. Oh my gosh. I think I swallowed about 5 fish right now. Okay, let's hit it. Alright, it's 4:36, we have about 10 more minutes. So let's go a little bit faster. Test out the speed, okay? Now remember, he told me, if we lose our GoPro, that's on us, not on him. So let's try not to lose it. I tied it to my hand just in case. What's your last? Sí. What words did you learn in Spanish on the trip?
Gracias.
Yeah? Sí. Sí, señor. Amigo. How do you say how much?
I don't know.
Cuesta cuánto? Say cuesta cuánto? How much? Right? It's fine. Hi, Captain.